The Supreme Court has disposed of as abated a special leave petition filed by late Ketan Bhatikar challenging the High Court's order setting aside the notification of Election Commission of India regarding the Ponda by-election. When this matter came up before the Supreme Court, the government representing state of Goa informed the High Court that the petitioner Ketan Bhatikar has passed away due to a snake bite and requested to dispose of the petition as abated. Accepting the contention of state of Goa, the Supreme Court has disposed of the SLP as abated. But during the hearing, the counsel representing late Ketan Bhatikar submitted that he wants to present his side on the remaining legal issue regarding holding a by-poll when the term is less than 1 year or it should be minimum 1 year. The Supreme Court has allowed the counsel of late Ketan Bhatikar to present their submissions in the earlier connected SLP on the same issue, and that matter will be listed for hearing in the month of July. Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.